Good morning, students. We are discussing our chapter 2, Year to Year. In our last class, we learned about ears of animals. Now we know to recognize animals by their ears. Now let's see if we recognize the animals by their skin. In our today's class, we are going to learn about animals' skin. See this picture. Match the animals shown here with the pictures of their skin. Make the correct pattern of the skin on the picture of each animal. Try to match this. Did you match it correctly? Okay. Now let's observe these animals. We can see different patterns on the animals. These patterns are due to the hair on the skin. Have you seen the patterns on these animals? Have you ever seen an animal without hair or whose hair have been removed? Imagine how the animal would look if it did not have any hair on its skin. There would be no patterns. Now we have seen the different patterns of animals' skin. Okay, go through this list of animals. They are familiar for you, isn't? Now let's categorize them into two groups. Animal has hair on its skin. The other group, animal has feathers on its skin. Okay. Now let's differentiate these animals who are under this column. What about fox? Did you see fox? Is it has hair on its skin? Yes, fox has hair on its skin. So it comes under this column, isn't? What about mouse? Yes, if we observe mouse closely, we can see hair on its skin. So mouse also here. What about hen? Yes, hen has no hair on the skin. Instead, it has feathers on its skin, isn't? So we can write hen in this table. Have you seen elephant? Can you observe this elephant closely? Yes, we can see hair on elephant's skin. So elephant comes under this column, isn't? Then crow, a very familiar bird. You might have seen this crow. Yes, it has feathers. So crow is in this group. What about cat? Yes, we can see soft hairs on its skin. So cat comes under this column. Sparrow, a bird, it has feathers. What about peacock? Peacock has colorful feathers. So it belongs in this group. Buffalo. Yes, it has hair. What about pigeon? It has feathers. So pigeon comes under this group. What about pig? Pig has hair on its skin, isn't? Cow. If we observe cow, we can see hair on its skin. So it comes under this column. Okay. These are the animals having hair on its skin. And what about these animals? Yes, these animals have feathers on its skin, isn't? We know that among this list, some of them give birth to their babies, while some animals lay eggs. Now let's categorize these animals into two groups again. Animals give birth to their babies and animals lay eggs. Can you tell me what are the animals that give birth to their babies? Let's check each one. What about fox? Yes, we know fox give birth to their babies. Mouse give birth to their babies. Yes, we have seen hen, isn't? Hen lay eggs, isn't? So it comes under this group. What about elephant? Have you seen elephant egg? No. Elephant give birth to their babies. They are not laying egg. So elephant is here. Crow lay eggs. Yes. Cat give birth to their babies. Sparrow lay eggs. Peacock Yes, peacock also lay eggs. Buffalo comes under this column, isn't? Pigeon lay eggs. And what about pig and cow? They give birth to their babies. Pig and cow come under this category, isn't? So these animals give birth to their babies while they are laying eggs. Look at the tables. What you have noticed the animals in the first column of these three tables are same. Similarly, in the second column, the animals are same. So, what we can conclude from this? The animals, those ears we can see outside, have hairs on their skin, isn't? These animals give birth to their babies. At the same time, those animals whose ears we cannot see outside have no hair on their skin. These animals lay eggs. Hope all of you understood this concept. Thank you all.